Now, in question number 5th of exercise 10.4, three girls, Resma, Salma, and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn. Resma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, and Mandeep to Resma. If the distance between the Resma and Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between the Resma and the Mandeep? So here three students are sitting on that. First girl is the Resma, second is Salma, and third one is the Mandeep. What is given to you students here? The distance between, if the distance between Resma and Salma is 6 meter, and between Salma and Mandeep is also 6 meter, then find the distance between Resma and Mandeep. And also given to you here, O is the center, and what is the radius of the circle? 5 meter. Radius is 5 meter. Then how we will find out here? So क्या find out करना आपको? RM we will find out here. So students, how we will find out here? First of all, we will join that point S2, which intersect that chord at point A. Now that SM is the perpendicular that on chord or not, because O is the center, and if we draw any line segment from the center और रेडियस है तो वो उस पर क्या होता है? परपेंडिकुलर होता है. और हाउ वी कैन प्रूफ, ये प्रूफ भी कर सकते हो या कॉन्ग्रुएंसी से प्रूफ भी कर सकते हो, ये एंगल क्या होगा? 90 होगा. सो यूजिंग theorem these form the perpendicular. Using theorem SM is perpendicular on RM. So M is midpoint of RM, meaning is that RM already given us, so you will consider the point P. So point P. So RP is equals to PM, which is equals to half of RM, right? So first of all we will find out the RP, then after we will find out. So here let we consider that here PO is equals to X, then the value of SP will come 5 minus X. Students, that complete is the 5 meter ये radius है. If we consider that is the value X, then what is the value of that one? 5 minus X will come. After that students, here how many right angle triangles are forming? 2 right angle triangles are forming here. First right angle triangle is triangle RPO. Second right angle triangle is RPS. So in triangle RPS में ये आपका एंगल P क्या है? 90 डिग्री. सो यूजिंग Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So RS square is equals to RP square plus SP square. So what is the value of RS? 6 square is equals to RP square plus what is the value of SP? 5 minus X whole square. So in both right angle triangle, first triangle आपका RPS, second RPO, which side is common in given triangle? RP common. So from here we will find out the value of RP square. So what is the value of RP square? 6 square minus 5 minus X whole square. 36 minus. Here we will use the identity a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. 36 minus 25 plus 10x minus x. 36 11 plus 10x minus x square. That is the value of a rp square equation. Similarly, we obtained the equation second from the triangle RPO. So second, in which triangle? In triangle RPO. In triangle RPO, again we will use Pythagoras theorem. Angle P is 90 degree. So using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem क्या बनेगा? RO square is equals to RP square plus PO square. What is the RO? 5 square is equals to RP square plus PO x square. From equation first, so what is the value of RP square? From equation first, we will substitute the value of RP square. ये क्या बनेगा? 25 is equal. What is the value of RP square? 11 plus 10x minus x square plus x square. X square cancel. Left hand side 25 minus 11 is equals to 10x. So from here 10x is equals to 14. X value 14 upon 10. X value will come 1.4. Okay. Yes. Question number हाँ. So x, yes, x value find out कर ली. After that finding out the x value, that x value will substitute in equation first, putting x equal 1.4 in equation number first. Put करो rp square is equal 11 plus 10 multiply 1.4 minus 1.4 whole square. So rp square 11 plus 14 minus 1.4 whole square 1.96. Simplify, then take square root, rp will come. After that, so we will find out rm. rm is equals to क्या होगा? Twice of rp. यहाँ से आप rp square की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करोगे, then taking the square root on both side, then rp will come. rp का just double करोगे, then you will get the rm. So the distance between रेशमा and मनदीप अवेल दैट. जो डिस्टेंस होगी रेशमा और मनदीप की बीच की डिस्टेंस इजीली ऑब्टेन कर. अंडरस्टैंड? यस सर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 देखो. किस किस को विजिबल नहीं है? यस. Again listen, if anyone sharing the screen then I will remove from that group. BK sir is watching. BK sir देख रहे हैं, अगर कोई भी स्क्रीन को शेयर कर रहा है पर्सनल तो उसको भी वहां से रिमूव कर देंगे. Now next is question number 6. In question number 6, what is given to you? A circular park of radius 20 meter is present in a colony. 3 boys, Ankur, Seth and David, are sitting at equal distance on the boundary. A circular park, 3 students. First is Ankur, second is Seth and third is the David. Sitting at that one and having equal distance. both are having the equal distance. Then radius also given to here. Here a radius also given to you, and what is the radius? 20 meter. O is the center, that is 20 meter. Then find the length of the string of each phone. Then you will find out the AS. आपको क्या find out? AS equal SD equal AD, that is given or not? Equal distance. Find भी क्या करना है आपको? Find AS, SD and AD. So students, how we will find out that one? All you know that if in equilateral triangle we will draw the median, then that median divides the opposite side into two equal parts, and that behaves like a perpendicular bisector also. So if we are extend that one, that is point E. So O behaves here, O behaves like a centroid. And student, what is the centroid? Centroid is the intersection point of all three medians. All three medians का क्या होता है? Intersection point होता है. O is behaves like a centroid, and centroid divides the median in 2:1 from the vertex of a triangle. So AO upon OE will come 2/1. ये थ्योरम आपको माइंड में रखनी है. So from what is the value of AO? 20, OE 2/1. So twice of OE is equals to 20. So what is the value of OE? 10 meter will come. So that will come 10 meter. Now let we consider AS equal SD equal AD equals to X. आपने क्या लेट किया है? X लेट किया है. So if that complete is X, so what is the value of that one? X by 2. We have perpendicular, and that is also X. So in that triangle we will use the Pythagoras theorem, because students, we know if in equilateral triangle we will draw the median, then that median behaves like a perpendicular bisector. So in triangle AED, using Pythagoras theorem, AD square is equals to AE square plus AD square. So AD x square equals to AE 20 plus 10 30 square plus AD value x upon 2 whole square. ये क्या बनेगा? X square 900 plus X square upon 4. We will find out the value of X. So transfer left hand side. So what we are forming here? X square minus X square 4 is equals to 900. Take LCM. 4x square minus x square upon 4, 900. So 3x square upon 4 is equals to 900. So x square is equals to 900 multiply 4 upon 3. X square is equals to 300 multiply 4. X square is equals to 1200. So what is the x? Under root 1200. So how we will find out the value of under root 1200? 1200 की वैल्यू कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे? 100 मल्टीप्लाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई 4. सो रूट 100 मल्टीप्लाई रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई रूट 4. So from here what is the value of x? root 100 is 10, root 3 as it is 4 to root 3. So x value will come 20 under root 3. So AS is equals to SD is equals to AD is 20 under root 3 meter. So the distance or so the length of each string. So length of each cable is 20 under root 3 meter. Welcome. Understand, students? Easy है? So here, first of all, we know that the point at which all three medians, देखो अब इसमें डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. सपोज दैट इज ट्राइंगल. इन दैट ट्राइंगल फर्स्ट मीडियन, सेकेंड मीडियन एंड दैट थर्ड मीडियन. सो द पॉइंट at which all three medians are intersecting to each other, that point is known as G, and G is known as the centroid. So students, what is centroid? The point at which all three medians are intersecting to each other, and always centroid divides the median in 2:1 from the vertex of the triangle. So that is the all about of exercise 10.4. Now students, we will start exercise 10.5. In 10.5, starting theorem is very important theorem. In higher classes also we will use the application of that theorem, and that is the how the relation will derive if the angle is formed at the center and if the angle is forming at the remaining part of the circle, then how we will form. So next theorem we will discuss of exercise 10.5. 10.5 की theorem discuss करते हैं. Next is exercise 10.5. Exercise 10.5. Your theorem number is 10.8. So first of all, statement of theorem number 10.8. The angle subtends by an arc at the center is double the angle subtends by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So students, meaning of that theorem is that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining of the circle. So listen, circle, in that circle O is the center of the circle, and here AOB. So that angle AOB is forming at the center, and we take here the remaining point is P. So with respect to center angle, that APB are forming or not? That angle is formed. Understand? So here what is given? First of all, given क्या है? In a circle with center O, angle AOB is angle at the center and angle APB is angle at the remaining part of circle that is given to you. Here what we will prove, देखो क्या प्रूफ करना है, which angle is forming at the center, angle AOB. So angle AOB is double of remaining point P, angle APB. That we will prove here. Angle AOB is just double of angle APB. For that we will do here the construction, and in construction what we will do, we will join line P to O and extend up to M. Construction, join P to O and extended up to M. For easy calculation, students, we will divide here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5 and angle 6. Easy calculation के लिए क्या किया, इनको डिवाइड कर दिया. Now all you know that what is the exterior angle sum property in a triangle. Listen, the sum of two interior angle is equals to its opposite exterior angle. किसी भी ट्राइंगल में क्या होता है, टू इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम उसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स के अपोजिट एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स के क्या होता है, इक्वल होता है. देन हाउ वी will use that one theorem. So for that, first of all, in triangle PAO, triangle PAO, PO is equals to AO. Reason is equal radius. So if in any triangle two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So what we conclude here, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Equation first. Second triangle, in triangle POB PO is equals to OB. Here also same reason, that is equal radius. So again angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Equation number second. Now in both triangle we will apply angle sum property also. Now in triangle PAO, using exterior angle sum property. So using exterior angle sum property system से वो क्या बनेगा, sum of two interior angle, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to angle 5. But in proof we want angle 1 3 5 6. So angle 1 as it is, angle 2 किसके इक्वल है, angle 1 के equals to angle 5. So we conclude here twice of angle 1 is equals to angle 5. Equation number third. Similarly, we can use the angle sum property in triangle POB also. Now in triangle PBO, using property, which property, exterior angle sum property. Using exterior angle sum property से क्या बनेगा स्टूडेंट, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 6. But एंगल 3 किसके इक्वल है, एंगल 4 के इक्वल है. 3 एज इट इज, 4 को किसके इक्वल पुट करोगे, 3 6. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 3 इज इक्वल्स टू एंगल 6. इक्वेशन नंबर. नाउ वी वांट एंगल AOB. सो हाउ वी फॉर्म एंगल AOB, by adding angle 5 and 6. So after that, adding equation number third and fourth. And students, how we will add equation third and fourth? Left hand part add with left hand part and right hand part with add with right hand part. So add करो twice of angle 1 plus twice of angle 3, angle 5 plus angle 6, 2 common, angle 1 plus 3 equal 5 plus 6 can be written as angle AOB. So what we conclude here, angle AOB is equals to twice of angle 1 plus 3 को क्या राइट करोगे, angle APB. Understand students? So the angle which are forming at the center by an arc is double the angle which are forming at the remaining point on the circle. Students, any problem? No? Now note down fastly. Note करो. Diagram is that here arc AB is the arc. So due to arc AB at the center angle AOB is forming. ये अगर रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है, ये भी रेडियस है. सो सेंटर पे एंगल क्या फॉर्म हो रहा है ड्यू टू आर्क AB एंगल AOB एंड वी कंसीडर द रिमेनिंग पॉइंट ऑन द सर्किल. अब इसके रिमेनिंग पॉइंट P ले लिया, P पे भी एंगल फॉर्म करना है ड्यू टू A एंड B. सो वी जॉइन पॉइंट P to A एंड पॉइंट P to B. बट इन योर NCERT बुक स्टूडेंट्स, 2 more diagrams are given to you. You will draw that remaining 2 diagram also in your notebook. आपको आपकी नोटबुक में क्या करना है, ये 1 डायग्राम मैंने एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, रिमेनिंग 2 डायग्राम आपको नोट करने हैं इसी प्रूफ में. एक्स थ्योरम 10.8 3 डायग्राम्स आर गिवन और नॉट? 3 डायग्राम इज गिवन टू यू, सो यू विल ड्रॉ ऑल 3 डायग्राम्स. नोट करो इसको फास्टली. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we will discuss another theorem. Theorem number 10.9. What is the statement of theorem 10.9? Is that we will discuss angle in same segment of a circle are equal. Then how we will prove that one? Now theorem number is 10.9. The statement of theorem 10.9 is that angles in the same segment of a circle are equal if the angles which are forming in the same segment, then they are having equal measurement. Then how we will prove and what is the diagram? A circle. Here we consider point A, here we consider point B. Firstly we make that one angle APB. Second we make angle AQB. So these students, both angles are forming on the same segment with respect to AB or not? Here angle APB and here given to you that O is the center. So angle APB and angle AQB, both the angles in the same segment. So first of all, what is here given? A circle with center O and angle APB, comma angle AQB. Angles are in same segment. To prove what we prove, both are having equal value. So angle APB is equals to angle AQB, ये proof करना है. For that we will use here the construction, and in construction what we will do, we will join A to O and O to B. So in construction, join A to O and O to B. Now we will start proof. First of all, students, here if you see clearly that angle EOB is angle at the center and angle APB is angle at the remaining part of the circle, then using theorem number 10.8, just double relation will come on. So here angle AOB is angle at the center and angle APB is angle at the remaining part of circle. So using theorem 10.8 that we recently discussed, angle AOB is equals to twice of angle APB, equation number first. Similarly, angle AOB is angle at the center and angle AQB is angle at the remaining part of the circle. Again, angle AQB is angle at the remaining part of circle, and angle AOB is angle at the center. So using theorem 10.8, again angle AOB will come twice of angle AQB, equation number second. From equation number first and equation second, what we conclude here, their left hand sides are equal, so their right hand side must be equal. So from equation first and second, twice of angle APB is equals to twice of angle AQB. 2 cancel. So angle APB is equals to angle AQB. So the angles which are forming at the same segment are having equal value. Suppose अगर ये 57 है तो इस एंगल की वैल्यू भी क्या बनेगी? 57 डिग्री. नोट डाउन. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Now students, we will discuss some question based on these theorems. Now students, question is that in a circle PR is the chord, that angle Q given to you 100 degree, O is the center, what is PQR are the points, then find angle OPR. So OPR, so students, how we will find out the value of these angles? So first of all, here that angle, okay, that not inside, that reflects. So here angle POR is angle at the center and angle PQR is angle at the remaining part of circle. So using theorem 10.8, angle POR is equals to twice of angle PQR. So what is the value of angle POR? 2 multiply 100, that is 200 degree. So that angle will come 200 degree. Next we will calculate the reflex of angle POR. Which angle is the reflex of remaining angle? So how we will calculate? किसी भी एंगल का रिफ्लेक्स एंगल कैलकुलेट करना है, then we will subtract from 360 degree. So that angle will come 160 degree. Now in triangle POR, PO is equals to OR. So give the name angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 is equals to 2x consider कर लो. So x plus 160, 180. 2x is equals to 180 minus 160. So 2x is equals to 20 degree. So what is the x? 10 degree. So angle OPR is equals to what will come? 10 degree. So friends, easy question है, and that question is completely based on that theorem. Understand? So students, all students listen. After again doing proof, आपको थ्योरम नंबर 10.8 का प्रूफ करना है सेल्फ को, थ्योरम नंबर 10.9 का प्रूफ करना है सेल्फ को, बिकॉज इन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू एग्जामिनेशन दीज आर द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थ्योरम्स. सो इनका प्रूफ आपको आना चाहिए. आफ्टर दैट यू विल सोल्व द एग्जाम्पल्स एंड एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 10.5. आपको एक्सरसाइज 10.5 करनी है, थ्योरम्स पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस एंड